Artlist.io.
Hello everyone! Today I will be discussing the inner workings of game technology. From artificial intelligence that whispers to your keyboard to the wildness of being transported to another universe with VR glasses, everything is covered here. If you're ready, let's level up. The evolution of the gaming world. Back in the day, gaming technology meant pixelated Mario saving the princess. Now, the princess doesn't want to be saved. She's selling NFTs. Back in the 1980s, we navigated an 8-bit world, but now we have 4K graphics, ray tracing, and AI-powered enemies. Back then, pressing the A button made you jump, but now when you press it, the character says, "Come on, think of something more creative."
Artlist.io.
VR and AR. We are in reality, not in the game. When you put on your VR headset, you're no longer a player, you are the game itself. When playing Skyrim with VR, if someone touches your arm, you might mistake it for a dragon attack and reflexively do an RKO on your friend. And AR? Remember when people were bumping into poles while playing Pokemon Go? Technology has advanced, but our reflexes are still stuck in the 90s. Artificial intelligence and graphics engines. In the past, artificial intelligence was like an enemy that would run into a wall when cornered. Now, AI learns your tactics and beats you at chess, trapping you in the game. As for graphics engines, with Unreal Engine 5, you're not playing a game, you're watching a Pixar animation. But characters still can't swim when they fall into water. Developers, please address this issue.
Music licensing reimagined.
Closing. So friends, gaming technology is now on a whole new level. Augmented reality, artificial intelligence, hyper-realistic graphics. But don't forget, the most important technology is still a group of friends who don't get easily annoyed. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and write your favorite game technology in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, may your FPS be high and your ping be low.
Artlist.io.